Hey everyone, welcome back to the Minty Cactus channel. Why is she showing this to us again? We've already seen it. Anyway, the company that made me, the 3D company that made me the blank, I guess you would say, the 3D rendering, not the blank. That's funny. Anyway, my mind's blank this morning. Anyway, if anyone would like a smaller painted version of mine, let me know on this video in a comment below, because the company that made this 3D rendering was so happy and thrilled at the way my cactus came out. They offered to make smaller ones, ship them to me. I will paint them and you can pay for it and I will ship it to you. So, if anyone would like a potted cactus from the Minty Cactus channel, painted, you don't have to have these exact same colors. I'll paint it up differently if you choose. Let me know, folks. I think that would be really cool, and I loved that offer. I do not know how much they will be because we still have to figure out that little detail. But let me know, guys. I think this is really awesome. Thanks for supporting the Minty Cactus channel. Like, share, and subscribe.